All these trees are taken care of. We're gonna go cut down a poplar real quick. The poplar is gonna be it's really tall, so it's gonna be a cool little climb, you know what I mean? So let's go check that out. And yeah, I'm just gonna set up my equipment real quick. So yeah, I got the Petzl Sequoia SRT here. Here's my double lanyard. Got the 194T. Got a little exhaust mod on here, so it sounds pretty gnarly. I'll show you a little trick with the oil. So if you got your oil to about there, and then you were to sink this in there, it would overfill. It would just spill all over the place. So what you do is you move it around, and you see that bubble that just came up? Yeah, it just made a little extra room for you. Another bubble. So now it's a better place. It's only going to spill very minimally. For this climb, I'm just going to be going up with the SRT, and the rope running pro is going to be my friend today. So this job, we're just chipping on site, and as you can see, it's so muddy. It's incredibly muddy. It's so bad here. The mud situation, it's a nightmare. That chipper is probably going to sink into the mud there. It's going to be a mess. So we had to pull it out later with another truck. All right, so these are the Gecko spikes, and they're a bit more custom than the factory because of the lower straps. The lower straps are Velcro, and they just allow you to get a perfect custom fit. Not only that, but when you're up in the tree and you need to readjust your lower strap, you don't have to finick or mess around with a buckle, and then you know, it's impossible. If you know what I'm talking about, it's so difficult to mess around with a buckle up in the tree, like while you're spiked in, and then try to adjust your lower strap. Oh, those buckles will make your life impossible. I don't really feel like cutting all that. What I'll do instead, I'll just jump them. Here it is. Thank you. I just did like a mini function test for the lanyard. It was a quick one, please. All right, so that's that. Anchor. Wow, that was so much adrenaline rushing through me. Oh, I love climbing, guys. I love it. I love it. like climbing, man. Bush is incredible. Look at all these trees. They're just moving. They're just like chilling, you know. These trees move. They really do. They flex all along their stalks. You know, everything is flexing all the time. These trees are amazing, absolutely amazing. And then, you know, just think about that for a second. Like, these trees are constantly moving, and yet when they break, you know, why did they break? You know, it's because it took an enormous force, the force of nature, to break them. Only that kind of a force can break them. They're very strong. Trees they're no slouches, you know what I mean? No slouches. Alright, so we're back. So whenever you go to descend, when you do this, it's jumpier than if you were to just cock it back. You see? So gotta be careful, because I can't spike this tree.